Michael Moix here, President of Moix RV. We understand that the RV landscape has shifted here in Central Arkansas, and we want to extend a warm invitation for you to make Moix RV your new dealership home. At Moix, we're more than just an RV dealership. We're a customer service company that happens to sell and service RVs. We truly value our customers, and we want to prove it to you. That's why we're offering to first-time clients a complimentary roof inspection, 2 free propane refills, and a wash in our state-of-the-art RV wash bay. Call us today and book an appointment and let us provide you with any service or warranty assistance you may need. We have 3 convenient locations across Arkansas ready to serve you, and when you purchase an RV from us, you become part of the nationwide Priority RV Network. So, if you're looking for an RV dealership that puts you first, come experience the Moix difference. We can't wait to welcome you to Moix RV and the Camp Moix family.